Are you a settler? Are you okay with just being okay? Are you alright with just being alright? Are you that type of person that just trying to get by day by day? Get what I'm saying? Are you that type of person that it is what it is? Let me tell you something, man. To get ahead in life, you have to do the things that people don't want to do. You got to wake up early and grind when people is in their beds snoring or rolling. To get ahead in life, you got to go out there and get that bread if you want to get ahead. Because you got to understand, man, when you have a good job, that's good and all, but a good job is nothing but insurance. You know what I mean? That's what a good job is. Security. You know what I mean? It's okay. It's okay to have security. It's okay to have that insurance. You know what I mean? It's okay to be just getting by. It's okay. It's okay to be in the middle class. It's not bad. It's okay to be at the bottom. It's not bad. It's okay to drive a Corolla. There's nothing wrong with a Corolla. You know what I'm saying? It's okay to stay in that 2-bedroom apartment. It's okay. It's okay. You know what I mean? It's okay to be okay in life. But if you want to be great, and you want to do great things in life, if you want to get ahead and you want to make that bread in life, if you want to get that big house you always dream of, if you want to drive that car you always wanted to drive, you have to do things differently. And it's only one advice I'm going to give you guys to get ahead in life. You need to eat some Chick-fil-A breakfast.